How to translate your chats in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open Messages app, select Conversation, click on Text Messages box, write message. After writing message, go back, again click on Text Messages box. Now click on this icon. Here you will see Chat Translation. Now click on Chat Translation. Now click on language. Here you will see language. Select language that you want to translate chat. After selecting language, go back, send message. After send message, translate your chat from your phone. This is how you can translate your chats in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.